Okay, this episode we're going to be teaching you the input function. So Python has built-in functions like we know the print function, the input function, similar to Excel. It has some, it has, all Excel has functions. VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, those are all functions. So similar to that, Python also has built-in functions, input. So the input function that we're going to be talking about here allows you to input something. Allows you to input something and after the code is run. You can even store what you've inputted onto the computer as a variable because we learned what a variable is. A variable stores information. So to give you an example of what I'm talking about, okay? So an input function will look like this. Input prompt, okay? It's going to ask you, okay, cool. So input, if we just type in input, doesn't necessarily do much. So we always type a question or we type a request for the user to put in something. So let's say the user of my app wants to put in like, I want to ask the user, what is your name? But remember, what is your name is a string. It's not anything I believe, from what I'm understanding, maybe of course could change later down the line. Anything that's not a function has to be, is a string, and that has to be put in parentheses. Especially if in a, I don't know, but yeah, that's just what I'm thinking about. But it's not a true fact, okay? It makes sense in my head. What is your name? Question mark, and we want to put a space. We want to put a space. I'll show you right down here. What is your name? My name is Yusuf. Okay, I put my name and it runs it properly. The reason the space is here is because we put a space there. If you don't keep that space there, it comes like this. Looks ugly. It's just for making a bit neat. What is your name? Yusuf. Yeah, it doesn't look as nice either. But if the space is there, pop, pop. What is your name? Yusuf, and we run the program. There's like if you see this x equals 0 means it's good. What we can do as well is we can we can um we can store uh we can store my name as a we can store my name as a variable. And you remember variables look like this, huh? So age 20. So basically this input, what we're going to be inputting is my name. So we can actually just put the variable name in front of it like this, because what we're inputting here, this is basically Yusuf. Although it doesn't look like Yusuf, but when I run this program, what I'm going to be typing here is Yusuf, and this entire code basically changes to Yusuf. So that's basically what a variable looks like, and this is exactly what a variable looks like. I'm going to store it under the variable name, okay? And then, so let's say it says, what's my name? I can still run the program. Like, what's your name? Yusuf. And the program runs, okay? Um, but now let's say I want to say like, what's your name? And then I want it to greet me back. I'm like, my name's Yusuf. And I want it to tell me, hello, Yusuf. So then what I can actually do is I can print hello plus my name, So like, for example, so print, okay? Remember string, hello is a string. Hello, capital letter, let's make this small. Hello, um, um, plus you want a space here because it's going to be hello space name. Otherwise, it's going to be hello Yusuf in one. You see, hello, and you can use a plus to add stuff to your function. This is called concatenation, from what I understand. By the way, guys, everything I'm learning here is from Mosh, so I'm just repeating it. Mosh, programming with Mosh. You can actually go watch his channel. He does it sometimes better. I'm just like literally just practicing with him and then making videos so that I can learn. So print hello, and then I want to print my name, and then I can say instead of saying I can look there, I can print plus input. That would work, but now I've already saved it as a variable name, so I don't have to. So I can be like print. What's your name, Yusuf? This is hello, Yusuf, and it runs the code. Like what's your name? Yusuf. Hello, Yusuf. Code is done. But I actually don't even have to do it like this. From what I'm thinking, this is the first time I'm trying this, to be honest. Mosh doesn't even mention it. I can actually print an input my name directly in there, you know? So, hello, this is just a test, okay? I don't know. And I can input in here. Input, uh, what is your name and space? This is just what I'm thinking, okay? Mosh hasn't done this. I'm just maybe, because I'm like, to make it like one line, I'm pretty sure I can. Okay, what's your name? Hello, Yusuf. Look at that. Wow. That's good. That's good. So instead of running the basically two lines of code, naming my name and variable and stuff like that, look, it's always good to put my name as a variable because then it stores it. So then I will actually, if I want to store my name as a variable, I can just put in name as, oh, I see why you want to put those variables. But look, it still makes sense. Okay, I have to go. Bye bye.